Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your font size and style on your Samsung phone. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more helpful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is go into settings and scroll down until you see display. So you're going to click on that. And then again scroll down until you see font size and style. So you're going to click on that. Then once you're on here, you should see font style on here and it'll be set up as default. So you can click on that and it'll give you a range of options. So you can obviously pick whichever one suits you best. And you can also change bold font. So you can obviously turn that on or off if you want to do that. And you can also adjust the size. So obviously you can go all the way up through the scale to whatever you prefer to use. So that's how you can change the font size and style on your Samsung phone. Thanks for watching.